Okay, we've looked at what Jeff has done, and Tim is also a vital part of the team here. He's in earlier videos, he's shown some of the work he's done on the front structure. He's made a lot of jigs and fixtures to make this possible.
Yeah, I just wanted to share little pieces of the rear section here that you probably wouldn't even see. Even pieces like this that are underneath here that had to be repaired. Both these pieces were rusted. This whole area here was rusted from water leaking through the window. Areas like this right up here that were affected by leaking from the window gasket, and it rusted all of this area in here. All of these pieces in here are new, associated with that area. So this is a little example. Very time consuming from here out. All these pieces were made, fabricated by hand, starting here, here, and here. So several different pieces that make it up, but we weld them in and it looks like one. So.